Ever found yourself scrambling to find that perfect, engaging gift for the little ones during the festive season? Well, worry no more. Dive into the holiday spirit with the 2-pack Christmas Lift-to-Flap board books featuring Babies Love Christmas and Santa's Workshop. These delightful board books are designed to spark your baby or toddler's curiosity while immersing them in the magic of Christmas. Why are these books so special? First, interactive learning. Each page encourages exploration as toddlers lift the flaps to reveal cheerful Christmas surprises. From festive snowmen to jingling sleighs, every flip uncovers a new element of holiday magic that keeps them engaged. Second, perfect for tiny hands. These books are made with durable, chunky pages that are easy for toddlers to grip and turn. This helps develop fine motor skills while fostering a love for books from an early age. Third, educational and fun. As they explore these pages, your little one is also learning. Bright, cheerful illustrations introduce holiday themes, colors, and objects, making it a fun way to build vocabulary and early cognitive skills. In Babies Love Christmas, children discover their first holiday words, while Santa's Workshop offers a peek into the jolly preparations at the North Pole. Lastly, made to last. Crafted with durable, toddler-proof construction, these books can handle enthusiastic little hands. Whether it's during quiet playtime or a cozy family reading session, they're built to withstand the excitement of the holiday season. These books aren't just about reading, they're about creating moments of joy. Perfect as stocking stuffers, holiday gifts, or even book exchanges, this 2-pack is a great way to introduce your little one to the magic of Christmas in a meaningful way.